Hello everyone, welcome to ArchLab. In this video, we will see the real-time LCM model working with SketchUp for seamless image-to-image renderings. As you can see, the AI image changes when I switch to another view or move inside the model. This is all made possible with the ComfyUI MixLab extension, which allows us to capture the screen of any application and create image-to-image generation seamlessly. You can use your desired prompt inside ComfyUI, and based on that prompt, the image will generate here. I am using the SD 1.5 model with the 1.5 LoRa LCM model. This provides seamless integration between SketchUp and AI workflows. If you want to give it a try, download the ArchLab LCM workflow from the description and generate images. If you are really interested in AI for architecture, please watch our playlist on our YouTube channel. And for those who don't know how to install ComfyUI, I have created a separate video for that. Thank you.